Hey guys, this is the unboxing video of our wireless charger, our 15 watt wireless charger. It's our second model. The first one we launched in 2018. This is the 2021 model. So you just slide it open, and here you have a tiny box with you just have to pull it out like this, and inside you have the manual and the cable. So let's open it. Here's the cable. You can take off the bits that hold it in place. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable. And inside here in this box you also have the manual. It's a pretty simple product, but there is some useful basic information on how to use it, but I will show you right now. In the box here you have the wireless charger itself. It's a very durable aluminum and tempered glass wireless charger. The body is it's a unibody aluminum piece. It's made with CNC machinery. So from a aluminum rectangle, it's CNC machined to allow for the internal components, the bottom anti-slide material. In the back you can see a USB-C port, and in the front the LED indicator. So let's plug it in. Just plug in the USB-A in any power source and the USB-C in the wireless charger. As you can see, the first time you plug it in, the light will turn on to let you know that the wireless charger is on, and then it will stay off. So if you have it on the side of your bed, it will not be annoying during the night. So you can place your Qi charging compatible device on the wireless charger, and it will start charging, and at this point the wireless charger will be on until the device is fully charged. Once it's fully charged, the LED will turn off again. Of course, you can use it also with Hyphen 2. So just place it on the wireless charger, and they will start charging right away. If you have a device that is not compatible with Qi charging, for example this phone, the wireless charger will tell you, because it will start blinking. So if you see it blinking, it means that the device is not compatible. Alright, so pretty simple. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just reach out to us via email or Telegram, and we will answer your questions right away. Thank you. Peace.